In this video, I'm gonna show you everything you need to know about a hotel on the National State Park. You ready? Let's go. I'm Malachi Simmons Jr. and this is Hotel Soldier, with a mission to invite you all things hotel to your front line. Now this is an informative channel designed for the hotel traveler to make sure your next stay is better than your last. The hospitality student to educate you on the hotel business. The hotel employee to simplify your daily tasks. And the hospitality executives to assist you on your everyday decision making. Now if you're new to Hotel Soldier, and if you want to see this video and other videos like this video, click on the red subscribe button along with the notification bell for Hotel Soldier. Some national and state parks actually have hotels on them. Like the Simmons State Park may have the Simmons Inn actually on that park. Or some major hotel brand may have their brand hotel on that park. Let's take a look at a hotel on a national state park. I'm on the park right outside the hotel I'm about to check into. Now, your nationals and your state park, most time they got so many things to do, such as hiking and biking and canoeing and swimming and fishing and campfire and campfiring? Hey, campfiring. So many things to do. So I'm about to check into my room and see what's the setup. Let's go check it out. Okay, we got a nice quaint size room. We got a bathroom, work desk, refrigerator, closet space, and the main focus point is from that bed. Also see something else I do like. Let's check it out. Oh no, you cannot beat that. A lake view. Now, some hotels you go to, you might pay for a pool view. Me personally, I like a lake view. That is amazing. I can see people down there canoeing, smell people out there barbecuing. I mean, you can't smell it. I can smell it. But I know when I see a view like that, I know what I want to do. I want to go fishing. Now, I might not go fishing today, but probably tomorrow morning. I might get up, go to the gym, eat some breakfast, and then go fishing. That sounds like a plan. But for now, I think I'm gonna check out the trails at this park. Let's go get changed. Now I'm gonna check out the trails on this park. I already sprayed myself down with some insect repellent. I got my water hydration. I'm going to throw this on real quick. All right, we're ready to roll. Let's go. Now I'm back from the nature walk, and that was quite nice. So now I'm gonna do some unpacking. I'm gonna get some sleep. I'm gonna get up, hit the gym. I'll see you in the morning. So we up early in the morning and we're ready to hit the gym to see what type of equipment this hotel has to offer. Let's roll. Just finished my workout, now it's time to eat. Now some hotels have restaurants in them. Now this particular hotel on this park has a restaurant in it that offers dinner and also breakfast. Let's go check out that breakfast. That breakfast was amazing. Now, like I said before, some hotels have restaurants in it. This particular hotel on this park has a restaurant that offers dinner and also breakfast. We ought to do the breakfast. Now, it's time to go fishing. So let me get changed and let's go do some fishing. I'm ready to go fishing. I got my cooler. I got my fishing rod. I got my tackle box. Let's go. Hey, morning, how you doing? I just got back from fishing. I had a wonderful time. I caught something that was like this big, enormous, but I threw it back. I was like, I'll just catch it again some other day. No big deal. So let's go check out some more amenities at this hotel on this park. Let's go. This is the last area of this hotel that I'm gonna check out, the swimming pool. I'm gonna go ahead and dive in. Second thoughts, I'm gonna take the stairs. This is the last few areas that I'm gonna show you outside the hotel on the park itself. At the hotel, we checked in, we had a restaurant to serve dinner and also breakfast. You know, we opted to do the breakfast. The breakfast was amazing. And then we did went to the gym. Went to the gym, did a little workout, did some arms, did some pull-ups, a little bit of run, some other exercises. And then we took part of that pool. The pool was so refreshing, you know. It was so good. I'm not gonna bore you with details, but just so good. Now, outside of that hotel away, inside the park, we got some other things to do. Like I mentioned the other day, barbecue. Or you can do some barbecue, do some grilling. You put some chicken on there, some sausages, some beans, wrap up some corn inside aluminum foil, throw it in the fire. Have you a good time out on the parks. Many parks have areas that you can grill. You can do a little picnic or a little get together on that park away from the hotel itself. Also, when you're doing the park and you're having that grilling and eating, you have someplace to eat. Well, they have pavilions like this one right here. This pavilion is outside. Now you can experience nature while you at this pavilion. You're gonna see the birds chirping and flying by and the crickets and the squirrels barking and stuff, all at the pavilion while you sit there, eat your little barbecue chicken and ribs and sausages and all kind of stuff in the corn that you throw inside the fire. All that you can do at the pavilion while on the park away from the hotel. Also, hey, I got one more area to show you that you cannot leave out no matter what. You gotta see this area. Let me show you two real quick. Let me show you. Play areas. Now, some parks may have some type of facility or recreation area. They may have some type of seesaws and sliding boards and swing sets and monkey bars. It may also have some type of basketball court or football field or baseball field or soccer field or tennis court. Something recreational that everybody can enjoy. Now, looking at this one, I mean, I can see a big old slide behind me. You know, I already did the hiking, I already did the fishing, I already did it at the gym, went to the pool. I'm about to hit the slide. And that was a look at a hotel on a national state park. Make sure to like the channel and leave a comment. And if you want to see this video and other videos like this video, make sure to click on the red subscribe button along with the notification bell for Hotel Soldier, with a mission to invite you all things hotel to your front lines.